Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify POS when it is not connecting or not syncing with your Shopify store. If your Shopify POS is not showing new products, not updating orders, not loading the right inventory, or it keeps saying there is a connection problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps you can try one by one. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Shopify POS needs the internet to connect with your Shopify store. So if your Wi-Fi is weak, slow, or not working, Shopify POS may not update properly. Start by opening another app on your phone or tablet, like your browser. Try loading any website. If the website does not load, then the problem is probably your internet. Now go back and check your Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on, then connect to your Wi-Fi again. You can also try switching to mobile data if your device has it. If Shopify POS starts working after switching, then your Wi-Fi may be the problem. If you are inside a store, also move closer to the router. Sometimes the device is too far away and the signal is too weak. Step 2. Close Shopify POS and open it again. If your internet is working, the next thing you should do is close the Shopify POS app fully. Do not just go back to the home screen. You need to close the app completely. On your phone or tablet, open the screen where you can see all running apps. Find Shopify POS, then swipe it away to close it. After that, wait a few seconds. Then open Shopify POS again. This can help when the app is frozen, slow, or stuck while trying to update. Once the app opens again, give it a little time to load, then check your products, orders, and inventory again. Step 3. Check if you are signed in to the right store. Next, make sure you are signed in to the correct Shopify account. This sounds simple, but it can happen if you manage more than one store or if another staff member used the same device before. Open Shopify POS. From the main screen, tap the menu button. This is usually the button with 3 lines. Then go to Settings and check the store name and account details. Make sure the store shown there is the store you are trying to use. If the wrong store is signed in, sign out, then sign in again using the correct Shopify account. After signing in, wait for Shopify POS to load your store information again. Now you need to check the location selected in Shopify POS. This is important because Shopify POS uses locations to show the right products and inventory. Open Shopify POS, tap the menu button, then go to Settings. Look for the Location section. Make sure the correct location is selected. For example, if you are selling from your main shop, make sure Shopify POS is set to that shop location. If the wrong location is selected, your products or stock numbers may look wrong. It may seem like Shopify POS is not syncing, but it is actually showing information from another location. Choose the correct location, then go back and check your products again. And that's how you can fix Shopify POS when it is not connecting or syncing. Start with your internet, restart the app, check your store and location, refresh the data sync, update the app, update your device, and reinstall the app if needed. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.